Alright, this is a lot of old farm equipment here. Horse drawn. Look at that. A hoe here. Look at that. Manure spreader. This is cool. Look at all of these. Hey, corn seeder. Tiny little planter. A rake. Yeah, it does look pink, but it used to be red. They used to actually be red, but it must have laid in the sun an awful lot. Cool. Oh, two of them. Little planters here. Nice hay rack. A Bradley. There's a saw right there for your woods. Once your wood stove is only so long and everything, then you get to put it on there. You have the right measurements all the time. Some people are very picky about stuff like that. I as well take the chainsaw, cut it, and that's good enough. But that was also for boards and everything else too. So that's kind of cool. Really nice. Okay. John Deere here. Oh, look at that. Get to see all of this here. Tires and the chains on them. A wagon wheel. Okay. There you go. Horse-drawn little buggy part right there. Look at that. All the nice antique things from the farm. So, you know, if you were a farmer and stuff. Oh, look at the old wagon. Look at the wheels on that. With the metal wheels. Isn't that something?
At least you don't have to worry about the wheelbarrow tire going flat.
Yeah, tire's not going flat on that wheelbarrow.
That's always been my problem with wheelbarrows.
Yeah, they do. They go flat right away. Alright, you got a sled over there that you can see. Probably for going and getting your ice blocks for in the winter. And everything to go on the rivers and cut your blocks out. Put in your little refrigerators. Or to put in the ice shed, really. And you cover it up with sawdust so the ice would stay cold. So you'd have ice for the whole summer. Till the next winter time come around. They had special buildings just for that. Just to make sure you had it all. That's an old one. See the bench of it all. There you go. Wow. They had the wheels. Always put the metal on the outside. Alright. Old wishing well. Wasn't a wishing well back then, it was a real well. Alright, there you go. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing this to you. If you have a YouTube channel, be sure to sub me, okay? Bye-bye.